Hi everyone, it's Miss Dow. I'm here to tell you about your new lesson for art this week. So I'm going to go ahead and take you right over to the learning plan. If you pull up our website and come on down to the specials tab, when you click here, it brings up all those weeks. This is week 6. If you tap on that, you'll get the lesson plans for all your specialists. Here's visual art, and you'll notice this funny picture of an adorable gigantic chickie next to this man, because this week's assignment is all about this word right here, scale. Now, if you don't know very much about scale, you can click on the link right here, and that's going to show you a presentation which looks like this. Okay, so basically when artists make things bigger or smaller in artworks, it's called changing the scale. Artists change the scale in artworks to help make the meaning clearer. So what do you think it means? And sometimes it can depend on the scale of the objects in it. Okay, so you can also click here, and that's going to give you some examples of art where people have played with scale. So looking here, you see this stuffed animal duck next to this tiny little real dog. Over here, you've got this guy sitting on a bench with giant feet. Okay, that picture was taken because this guy was farther away and these boots were right up close to the camera when they took it. Or like in this one, when you're down on the ground looking up at somebody and the flowers seem bigger. Or this one where they put their feet down and their hands down so it looked like they were bent down looking at you. So those are some fun ideas you could maybe try. And if you want to do more, you can always head over to the challenge board. That link is on the lesson. And here you've got multiple ideas of all kinds of things, including a lesson on how you can do that one picture we just saw with that boy bending over. And you've got all kinds of cool links you can go to, like this one, where you can learn how they do different kinds of puppetry. All right. Did you know that you can also use dandelions to draw on your sidewalk? If you just pull off the yellow part, you can rub it against the pavement and it makes a mark. So if you ran out of sidewalk chalk, or if you want to do some outside drawing, you can even use nature to draw with. So those are a few ideas. I hope you guys are getting some chances to be creative and have fun making art of some sort. And remember, you can come back here every week and get more ideas of ways that you could create art. So take care. Love you. Miss you.